How to factory reset your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can factory reset iPhone, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to basically factory reset your iPhone, all you have to do is open up the settings application. Now make sure you back up any important details that you might need, because factory resetting will reset everything and not keep anything. Now from here, just go to general, scroll down and you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. So tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings here, then just tap on continue option. After you do that, the final step would be to tap on this option, then enter your password of your phone, and then everything inside this iPhone will basically get erased. This way you should be able to factory reset iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.